Hi, I'm Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. In this episode, we're going to talk about setting up a mirror of that boot USB drive that you've got FreeNAS running on, just to help avoid possible problems if the drive were to prematurely fail. Now, this content is also available as an Amazon Flash briefing or podcast. Please go to techbiteswithronnutter.com for more information for any items mentioned in this episode. There are affiliate links in the description. If you click on these links, I will get a small commission, but that won't affect the price you pay for the item. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click on subscribe now and enable notifications. If this video helps you or provides value, please click on that like button, thumbs up. So what we've done so far is we've gotten it up and running, and we're using a little USB flash drive like that. Well, that's fine, and that's the beauty of FreeNAS, is it accesses it in a minimal manner, but these don't last forever. And I mean, of course, what do you expect? They're $6-7 a piece. So what we're going to go through and do is put this into the system, add it so that it's a mirrored off the boot pool. So that way, if one does fail, that you've got the other up and running. And then we'll also walk through saving the configuration just in case. For those of you who not watched a lot of my videos, my plans usually have backup plans, which would be going into a mirrored configuration with the boot flash. And sometimes my backup plans have backup plans. That's why we're going to save the configuration. So let's go over here, and I'm going to plug in the USB drive, and let's go over here, and we'll go down to storage, disks, and see there's DA1. It shows boot pool, and this one's showing unused. So that's fine. That's what we wanted to see. So let's go up here, and we will go to System, Boot, and make sure we've got, okay, and we want to go to boot pool status, and then we will attach, and there's DA1, and it's easy to pick out this from the SATA drives we put in, because those have an A in front of it, and where with this has just a D. So we will click on DA1, and we'll tell it to use all disk space, and we'll say save. And it'll take it just a second here to get taken care of here. Shouldn't hopefully take too long. Okay, it's attaching the device. Kind of thought it would already be attached, but that's just me. Of course, in this day of instant gratification, we all want things now. But I mean, if it's taking time, and what it's probably doing now is establishing the RAID 1 mirror. And so it, okay, device successfully attached. Okay, that's good. So now if we go down here, and we'll turn off my lower third, and actually we'll go down here to storage, disks, and it shows it in the boot pool. So that's good. And that really is, I mean, that's pretty much it at this point. Now, I did want to go through here and go down up here. We'll go up to the General tab. And this is something that you want to think about doing. Yes, we've just mirrored the boot USB drives, but it's always a good idea to have a backup configuration. Again, just in case, you'll probably never use it. Now, you will want to make sure. So we'll click on save. If you're using any, okay, we'll want to probably export the password secret seed so we don't have to redo that. And if you are encrypting the pool, and that's something we'll talk about in a future video as to why you do that. So then click on save, and then we will just take the default name for right now, and we will Okay, so it's already got it downloaded. So really, that's all there is to it in terms of mirroring your boot flash and then taking the extra step of making a backup of the configuration. Like I said, you'll probably never need it, but it's one of those deals that it's kind of like well, hopefully I won't get in trouble saying the MasterCard commercial, but it's like the MasterCard commercial. It's priceless. If you ever need it and have got it, trust me, it's well worth the time. And you see, it took just a few minutes to get it up and running. So I've tried to keep this video fairly short because the install video did run into a little bit of time. But as you can see, bing, bang, boom, we're up and running. So this really couldn't have been much simpler. In the information I saw, I had to adapt a little bit, but you saw what we had to go through with that. So not a problem. The user interface is always going to change a little bit sometimes between versions. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, you will see videos on the screen that are the next steps to the one you just watched or other content that YouTube thinks you might be interested in. If this video helps you or provides value, please click on that like button, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click on subscribe and enable notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.